are Ghana. Minu medase. Next year, Amando Susu. In fact, and you be because of Ghana ha. How? Right. Sure. In fact, yeah. Na a movie no so no. The man can bro na. I'm sorry to say it doesn't make sense.
And I say
most of the policies are here Ghana and by impulse. Yeah. Nurses training allowance, teacher training allowance, university, what. Meaning a dainty, and na a buy no person or ma and cry allowance. I know two be school fees man. Nina say our for no intimintia because it doesn't make sense. A single moment, cry say any panabit me to ask me to your man. Into the logic behind it, they say, "Oh, intimintia, our for no intimintia." I don't know intimintia. Because they are largely not gainfully employed.
Right.
Baby, I'm here as a consultant. If I identify, say, the essence of paying allowances, paying school fees for parents, and they say, you're gainfully employed, the solution doesn't lie in paying for them.
Yeah. Empowering the parents.
It doesn't common sense and support.
Yeah.
What you need to do, a benya lasting impact. Yeah. And they say, Sikana udi tuya allowance no, Sikana udi tuya school fees no. Fire build the industries, employ the parents. 2,900 area more. We say 1 year. And she said, says Kawena you wasted over the period for decades. The industrialization of mine and your far and chronic parents.
Yeah.
And I was be more 2,000 cities. A dozen.
2,000.
A dozen cry. Yeah, more 1,500. Look at me, Tissot.
I could go between other things that I can.
And I'm making. So was only you my into Intimintia.
Okay.
And two for now, man, 2,000. After one man, 24,000.
Right.
24,000, obey 2,900. Eddie could you and the school fees.
Right.
Or Sabina be Eddie chef ye. A Juma, a crying year school, no. Now, papa, now my medical retirement. Now, Prana Babishim. Now, man, the problem so we invest in Jumaniano. I solve it.
Think as this cano, ye de employ equity employment
jobs. And yet, the far who for ye, Susu say, Omia here for. And to me, moment, yen a bino, and a bit to school fees a moment, a more allowance, and the show more said in Amandu, and yet to a Candia. And yet, young fan creative jobs. Now, if I employ our phone, now Omunia Jumanya. At the end of the year, no, all for Benya minimum of 24,000.
Okay.
Or the 2009 it's year, and Obenya over 21,000. Our debate fee. And crying school now for no retirement. Then crying so Benya Jumaya. It makes more sense.
Whilst our phones they will be working and paying taxes.
What you say? What you say?
Well,
until I say. They make policies by impulse.
Okay.
And for political expediency. And I heard to me no. Instead say, you see the problem is not the politician. Parliament House so many years.
Right.
Me kwaya more Parliament House and I must add to me I want to say the problem is not politicians. The problem is Timamufono. Because and some politicians better not radio so can. Etu akasa MPP ni bi opa etu ankasa nyame yodo. Obeka say etu ankasa yi.
Ankwama no.
Any politician bi a ono so NDC. Amando ka say nyame ye moburu huna. Obeka say wankasa yi. Who say them making? See atwaso sa say omanya there is no way say you benya headway bia. Yeah. Common sense.
It's true.
Opa bompa ya kom chine a ewo wiase nyina na adwene no enya dwuma. I'm telling you, I was saying peduane bre. A natural phenomenon. The
power industries no for how when you do me, for how when you do me, to say the amanone private, you mama for you, no man, or ya at least say you do maybe create mini jobs, no be crowd. Now you can get something out of it. Right.
Amando Tia is all position. Opacha Amando 3 billion. No being can chance on from no money US Greek card or because himself could do simply because they prioritized employment because and then a driving economy.
And it's a fact because any part every or for the last few
years
because of unemployment.
ampani nuane ampa me yonko Michael okọ yeso obesi fi okutwi oti krom asusu no na enkoyi
6 months no way
what you say
nurse for ne ada we num cry binum so because of things and the conditions no may be
of course mene asori bi Asia
ye bet 19 years munye ne ye
of course mama mo kasa man kasa o
mo man kasa
una bebo mi dize ma me treta
mo
tie nkwaje sem
mene ze kokonya me mo di mene asori bi
right
and na you some of these issues and I make a choice say Christianity it doesn't start from spirituality. It starts from mental well-being.
They renew
what I say economic. The problem of the soul Jesus Christ was it before we could go baby go ha no esuan for ne say owura kire say was the egun kasem yo mo ti nyame asem a omo de ani gye ne akoma pagye na so kodru fi a abrabom dadwen ohaw kode na miemi asem ma asem ne enyini ni nyina Yesu pa kire say ansa na o Kristo soma brabo ebeye no je say wasetene ma brabo di kan ye dey eye and this how you can be a good Christian
so mo akra ka say wasetene na to ababa
what you say but politicians na kasa but mamufo no yese sebio say nyansa na yefa nya adwuma ye hwe yasetenem ento ababa sesi amena oti he se me drapa ka se NDC ba yo momode a na mabra nyame
right
but the anya nwanwa bebre ne say Nana Akufo-Addo ba first step oyade enso awie ne kosi say
tia na first term
what you say ana early stages no
okay
one dey mechi NDC ba they've started so well
okay
and I'm praying say ebeto aso and a mesra mando omon paye say de omasi ahase ye and to aso sa na yenyai the political side da bia ase chinchini achi adechi achi was say ofeli e was MPB say Ujimbo achi entry was say it is my prayer that NDC will fail so the MPB will come to power.
Mama has a good will, and for now the MPP must be seen. Say, failure we can talk about it.
Anyway, very good. Anyway, can ye? Aha. Obi a obedwen susu say, NDC net so onfeli bia no. Oye mambo for. Na he didn't speak out of common sense. Wow, because o can now profess solution.
Correct.
What I say? O can now profess. Yes, o can keke. I say etie for adwin. Say be o go for abai no. O can now me obi o badwin be bia.
Objective criticism. What I say? Ye can keke.
What I say? Obi o badwin be bia no. Say obi criticize obi no profess solution. I mean who say this person is say pay can be better placed. Sana me metiase.
Jano na yebeka national prayer.
Sana metiase. O de eno mame fa eno ento nchen.
Right.
Private that was as a private sector on driving Mahama 24-hour economy. The private sector no the biggest beneficiary of this government's 24-hour economy. MPP didn't say two against one. Yeah, what kind of crazy? So actually, we are what kind of crazy? What do I say?
Was it two against one more?
And for so be brain a private sector, no. Ebenya.
He say, "O tu munyina mufu MPP NDC." Nti yenti o.
And for so be brain a private sector.
Ona Ghana captain, Ghana ni. Ona Ghana ni. Omo ye political ni.
Of course.
Yenti.
And for so be brain a private sector, no. Ebenya free. Aban your tiswe the 24-hour economy. What you can say obe incentivize say private sector be or register with the 24-hour economy.
Sure.
In the area of power and lots of other areas. And what you know, or say or protected private sector by putting taxes on imports.
Right.
What I say? Say the bay private sector no comparatively no say obi produce locally no your man bo be for.
Yeah.
Na the why import no your man bo ebe koso.
Sure.
O say o da but
o de kasa Amando manenkasa.
Sa 24 economy na be boa the way share abai na dey gu kwem no ama private sector na competitive in global market because you atete your so amount you incentivize so and na ya say amount that enabling environment and say thrive ya you can produce in larger quantities at reduced cost what you say say the be ya nyoma free baby ba no o de toto eno ho a obetumo say you are doing well if your private sector operations no will also attract investment. Mama Mayere if you say MPP are buying through Alan John Kwajo Chematin the ADB by a friend after African Continental Free Trade Area.
Right.
And then Africans in have a common market.
Sure.
Business leaders nintie. Abibi men in common market said Europe etieno. Senior unim say Europe, so free France and I say England and I say Norway. Now ko Germany ko to BMW now they ba ukroma untua 1 peso akra. Etu eni abre ka taxes a na egun kofo so enne ndc abama dollar na ba from aye no. Ukwa obi man so a 1 peso akra untua. Udi ko free enne adomadomi ama after naba. As a Chinese say of course MPP are buying. As a Chinese say ade bia obi a company register under after ni bia no. So obi free bibi micro ba ko so eba ukrom ebe to ade aye no krom ho on say ma me ko Togo ko fan to my laces ni ade and to man anye wo Togo ho anye Togo fo na ye ko fan Thailand ni ade but say Togo aban no etimi ma sa company no asase e ma no be produce wo Togo na free Ghana ko fa ye ma me mo edwom no omu ntua duty ko fa 1 cedi kura anya den untua sa opportunity naba and mahama eso the 24-hour economy na yede ababe ka what you say walanche or the walanche or the aba you are doing politics. I'm doing nation building.
It's commissioned
or your politics me nation building. What you say
manenkasa
very good.
I can a few minutes
enti me pesa Ghana ni bia adwemba so say after na e wo ho no ene 24-hour economy na aba. I was say amwa Ghana anye yi I'm telling you Ghana anye yi bio. Enti mesro obi ase mommy ye mfa politics na nto nchen.
Na yenhwe no.
Na yenhwe ekwan ebefa so ye nyina ye bebo abman ya otisui. Na after edikan ba any 24-hour economy a wahehye no. Onye ni yie ye mompaye ema no. Na entumi enyina yie. Na emfa so no Ghana for enye de ye mfa. Unim say Ghana betumi as sakra with the introduction of after no anyway because say headquarters in Ghana
right
spare parts I friend component parts no and then my presidential aspirant back or the MPP side Canada Japan and says Ghana for MPP for to man Ghana for man be president or be Ghana the China of Africa so spare parts companies no kwa kwose bebre free man one aba be gu Ghana hadom omo masase yantam na wasa mo onyi omo tax omo produce for African market because of the after no omo produce 24/7 because of 24-hour economy what you say na emma enyuma musu so produce for African market Cote d'Ivoire Rwanda Nigeria South Africa no onko South Korea onko for spare parts obetia duty ba be fa Ghana na do call mine so a duty free quota free who is cash over load 100 containers
right
obetumi aye na aboa manyuma aye den abusu Ghana se nyuma busu na the whole Africa ba Ghana e be invite hotelier associations amoma ba be sisi hotels be brave Ghana na yesi hotel ayenye kwan abrafo mo si hotel a omo ye kwan elenke se de be ya ubenya easy access to the hotel na improve Ghana a road infrastructure we are talking about developing the country we are not talking about MPP NDC what you say enti Ghana we are on the right path yenya partisan and sensem no na ye nyina ye mo aban otisui na ehyehyeye a wode aba no on merge with already existing after no na Ghana yanko yenim
Mama just about 2 minutes na fa kasafa prayers no ho National Day of Prayer ne ade. How important is this? Adi we I mean any development ni ho nhyehyɛ ni ho ye Ghana as a country
right minia asrese obi se Ghana China enye National Day of Prayers wa ye limited ye ka National Day of Prayer enye limited to erade boye erade hwɛ ye nko a inherent in the National Day of Prayer no and papa bebre wo
okay
number 1 mama keke bi nkyerɛ it brings people together, fostering a sense of unity and solidarity among us.
Right.
Number 2, a buoyant to reflect, spiritual reflection and renewal. You're reflecting on our values. You're reflecting on our beliefs. Your tradition. You didn't say a rich. Remember a classical case in contest. Obi ka say or not the Christianity and our sovereignty or Christianity on yes adewe. And I'm saying him. Christo ntino unim say ade be more powerful than say obeka say Christo ntino nyebon so okay say value it's part of your value system say me mfa me to entna tech junction abre ni pay twem na me te form on say sa de na be mo yesa na obi etwa na kwa te form na o cho to ase e de na be mo yesa e your values under no circumstance obi che ska kra wenye but okay say asori o mokro no but ebia wo no msa asori nti o mokro no ebia wo adwamai asori nti still awe body but value system no say nipa no or upholding the values nothing on earth can cause him.
It's a big part of you.
A big part of you. Are you so be pursue? I'm why they will go down on it. And the National Day of Prayer no. A boy may reflect it. Na yes I renew it. And the I was say the values. 1st July bia no. I was say ban here. Now in schools. And you may cook crying. I was say how do we call it? A day before the National Day of Prayer no. Say any holiday they are meeting that day no. Now obia ba or jumeni moye assembly kakra. Now you reflect on values near the day. A National Day of Prayer no. A boy may build a community because Bibiano Abaya, I say, oh, Checherepo, Napo promoting can one, Nadia bit my day. Nanyamia, as I offer hope and comfort, National Day of Prayer, and me that Swobi, and you to Swobi say, Yamika and Widia, a bit my day, I cultural significance and a host of others.
Medasipi, Gyamfi, consultant, and Otin in Canona.